I watch so many creators, quit at video 10, video 15, video 50, and even video 16. And to them, they are not making any sense. To them, they are doing something wrong. To them, they are not, qualified to be here on YouTube. But this is me telling you today that that value that you are into, that value that you are into is not that of failure. The value you are into right now is where the magic happens. So in today's video, we'll be learning things, things that you need to do, that will make you to stay here on YouTube, without shaking. So if you're with me, the success you see today, that most of YouTube creators display everywhere is a big lie, right? Yes, what I mean is that it's not as if their success is not good, but the success they portray, nobody portrays their bad side. Nobody portrays when they are, hustling. Nobody portrays that side, Yes, the success you see today, there are so many things behind it, It didn't just happen just like that. It didn't just happen like that. So the success you see today, there are so many things behind it, and that is why you do not take it to compare yourself. I keep telling people, stop comparing your chapter 1 with someone else chapter 10, because obviously they are not the same. Yes, so because this person is doing very well in his or her own niche, as a creator, and you yourself, you are putting in the work, and you are seeing just 30 views, 10 views, 2 views, and to you think, I'm not qualified to be here, I'm stopping. No, do not compare their chapter 1. There is always a story to tell. There are times they are having 10 views, there are times they are having 1 view even. There are times they do not even have views for like days when they post videos. Yes, such thing happens. So do not compare your chapter 10 with the chapter 50. Please do not compare. One thing is this, if you quit while in the valley, you quit before your success. Yes, because this is it. YouTube is like, growing, or let me put it this way, growing on YouTube is like you planting a tree. Yes, you plant a tree, you keep watering the tree even if it's not showing any effort. Most times when you look at, there is this tree that a story was told about, that the owner kept watering the tree even for almost 5 years, and the person did not stop. He kept watering the tree until all of a sudden the tree just grow boom. In one time, everything just grow up, So that is how YouTube is. So you are watering the tree, and to you think you're not seeing anything. No, the root is developing. The root of the tree is developing strongly. The algorithm is working. The algorithm is taking time, to know who your video is meant for. The algorithm is taking time to know, the kind of video you are making. This is the building process, This is the building time. To you, it is nothing is working, no views, nothing. But no, you are doing great thing. Magic is happening already. You are in the valley, but what you are doing now is that you are developing the root. You are nurturing the roots of your plant, of your tree. Sorry, that is what you are doing now. So giving up now, will mess everything up. You don't need to give up. Keep watering that tree, because all of a sudden it's gonna germinate, it's gonna grow, it's gonna skyrocket to what you did not even expect. So that is how YouTube is. And most times it will feel like algorithm just abandon you. No, algorithm does not abandon anyone, but that is what it feels like. I understand, because even I myself have been in that shoe. Algorithm did not abandon you. The only thing algorithm is doing is that algorithm is taking its time. It's taking its time to test patterns, to test your patterns, to test everything you're doing. That is why it is good to be consistent. Being consistent in YouTube is not all about you coming out to post videos every time. because that's what most people think that consistency is all about in YouTube. No, it's not all about posting. Most persons will be like, I will post 2 videos in a day, this and that. No, the videos that you are posting, okay, who are you posting the video for? You get, you need to make videos with intentions, right? Yes, this video I'm posting now, right now, who is this video for? You can't just start posting. No, you have to sit down and think, who are you? What do you like doing? Okay, where am I gonna channel? Because you hear that people are making money on YouTube. All of a sudden you are on YouTube and you want to make money. You don't have any, any plan. There is no niche. Now you have to sit down and ask yourself, who am I posting my videos for? Am I posting this video for people who are, who want to make money? Then you have to channel it to the make money niche, okay? Affiliate marketing and what have you, digital marketing, content creating. Am I posting this video for people who want to learn how to cook? If that is where your strength is, you channel your videos to that. Am I posting my videos to people, to those mothers who want to learn how to, to train their children, parental tips? Where is your strength? What are you good at? So you need to plan your videos. Post videos with a good intention of, touching someone's life. Okay, yes. Anytime people come in here to watch videos, okay, they should, go out with something. Make your video to be like that. Okay, that is all about, when you say you are consistent on YouTube, you are dishing out values to people. Okay, you are posting videos that people want to watch. You are posting videos that is educative, that is giving value, okay, to people. People do not come here just to, when they click on your video, they go out with something. That should be the kind of video you should be making. Now, if you are doing that, okay, algorithm will say, oh, I know where this person is going. This is the kind of thing this person is making. This is the kind of people that we should introduce the videos to. But if you are consistent, but you are inconsistent with your posting, what do I mean by this? You are very much consistent, but your posting is inconsistent. How? You post about vlog today. The next day you post about eating vlog. The other day you post about wedding vlog. The other day you post about traveling vlog. The other day you post about how to make money. The other day you post about how to use AI automation to make money. The other day, like, you're posting random videos. And do you know what happens? Algorithm is confused. Haba. This day you posted a video and algorithm pushed your video to some persons that are interested in the topic, and these people, they came and they watched. Now you posted another video, algorithm still came and pushed the video to the same people, and the algorithm noticed that they did not watch. What does it mean? It means that you dished out another video that is not in their interest and they did not click to watch, and algorithm will be confused. Your audience will be confused. Why do you post this today and you're posting that tomorrow? That is what I mean by you are consistent, but you are also inconsistent. You are consistent posting every day, but your videos are inconsistent. So you need to make sure that everything is okay, is steady, right? You are consistent posting and your videos are also consistent. That is what you need to make sure of. Okay, yes, you need to make sure of that. YouTube rewards those who are very much consistent, not just being consistent, but also being consistent in their posts. Okay, what you dish out, okay, is what you do. Like, you do not just dish out this today and dish that tomorrow. Okay, so this is me telling you that your breakthrough here on YouTube is closer than you think. You just need to stick there. Your roots is developing. Keep watering the tree. Do not go anywhere. Keep watering the tree. The algorithm is working on something. You are planting, you are developing the roots. of your trip, which is likely your video. Okay, yes, this moment that you're getting 30 views, this moment you're getting 20 views, are the moments where the magic is already happening, but you don't know. So quitting now will mess the whole thing up. Do not quit in your valley. Okay, do not quit in your valley. Keep posting that video. Okay, do not mind the views this time. Okay, just keep dishing out valuable content that are touching people's lives, that people are learning something from, that people are willing to to watch, and get answers to their questions. Keep doing that, and I tell you, you are gonna be rewarded. Yes. So this is your friend Sylvia. If you have any question for me, or if you want to ask anything, feel free to drop that in the comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed up till now, do well to subscribe, and see you in my next video.